Hello friends, I'm Regina. Welcome to my channel. And I am doing the open collaboration hosted by Melissa Sue and by me. And the suggested prompt for this week is DIY cards. So I decided to, well, first let me show you these little cards here. These are DIY cards. I got these from Temu, a set of 6 for $1.48, and I just love these. So these are DIY blank. You can decorate these however you want. It's a set of 6. I just love them. They're so delicate. Look how tiny. They're made of cardstock. So we could use these for like a gift card with a gift, or tucked down in a journal, or inside another card that we're mailing. It's beautiful. Look at that beautiful rose. I hope the glare's not too bad. Okay, so these are like ready to fold also. Okay, so into a card. So we got that one, this one. They're so cute. There's something about these, I really like these. And then the sunflower, the pinkish carnation, and then the tulip, like a red tulip. Okay. It's Halloween, so I decided, okay, I'm pull out my Halloween journal that I'm still working on it, doing some more to it. So pulled out, okay, there's my dangle there, isn't that cute? I got these from Temu. And we've been doing hashtag Temu Tuesday collab, but we decided that we are dropping Temu from the name because we don't want to limit it to using Temu products only. We want, to be able to use anything in our stash, purchase from wherever. So we're transitioning to hashtag Tuesday collab, okay? And we're going to try to do it on Tuesday. If we just can't get a chance, it doesn't have to be on Tuesday. So since it's Halloween, I decided to pull out from my journal, Halloween journal, some Halloween cards in my journal. And these, I got these from, these are, Melissa and I call them ready to fold papers. They came from this collection. I've been one more. I think they were all from this collection here that I got from Temu. That we call them ready to fold because every one of them, this kind, you can fold into make a card or a journal. And they're blank inside the journal or decorate. So yeah, these are all cute for Halloween. Let's see. And there's the spell book there. So I could have chose any of these, but I like that. Something about that one is cute. There's the spell book there and the crow. That's like an entrance way to some. I'm not sure exactly. Oh, there's the witch hat on the spell book. Anyway, okay. So these came from this collection, so I pulled out these two. So yeah, this one, of course, these, like I said, the ready to fold papers. You just fold it, score it, front, back, and then so I used a stamp that I got from Temu, a little cute witch stamp with her broom, and then I fussy cut. It was like some Halloween wrapping paper that came from Temu. So I fussy cut the little bat because she's married to Batman, which I'm going to prove that. Just a minute, I'm going to prove it. This particular witch here is married to Batman. Okay, yeah, a girl can dream. Okay, so and then this this is the ribbon from. I got this from Dollar Tree, $1.25 Dollar Tree in their Halloween decor. This was cute. I'm glad I got that because yeah, their stuff gets gone quick. That was cute. Yeah, so that I like that to use for Halloween, like the spider web. So I glued that down there. And then did my stamp. And let's see. And then this one is another card. They're ready to fold. Fold, score. And it's like, it's cute. It's cool for Halloween. But I'm like, I want to add a little pop of color there. So I put a rose there. That came from Temu stickers. And some of their, they had a really good sale. I love their sales. That's one reason how they get me coming back is when Temu has those really good sales when they have like the giveaway prices. Okay, so the same witch stamp, and then another of the Temu. That was the box of 40 stickers for 15 cents on sale, and then another little cut the little ribbon, from the Dollar Tree. ribbon there. Okay, so there's that stamp. So we can either mail these, you know, for Halloween cards. You got, you know, your room there to, you know, write your happy Halloween in your note or whatever, or just like I'm doing, you know, put them in a journal. Okay, so we got that. Oh yeah, and I was gonna prove to y'all that our witch here is married to Batman. Y'all want to see the proof? Okay, let's see the proof. Don't take anybody's word. Always question. Always ask to see the proof. Okay. Okay, here's in our journal. Halloween journal. Look. Okay. See, there's the proof. Our witch is married to Batman. Told y'all. Okay. Okay. Further proof. Documentation. Let's see further proof and documentation. This is when he was flying home. Okay. Okay, don't get distracted. Let's see the proof. Okay. Okay, look at this. There's their marriage certificate. And then there's their wedding album. Okay, their wedding album that she's working on. Okay, anyway, there's the proof. Okay, all right. Let's see. Let me get back on the topic. Okay, so all right. Let's see. Where were we? Okay, so we're transitioning from hashtag Team Moon Tuesday collab to, in the future, it will be hashtag Tuesday collab. We appreciate each and every one of y'all for watching, and also appreciate the participants. And the participants last week was Dahlia at Mandalay Cards, and Isabel at Crafting with Isabel, and Jenn at Sassy Southern NC Girl, and Misty at Crafty Mouse. Okay, thank you so much for participating. And so yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing the participants for this week and what they post. It's always fun to see what everybody comes up with. It's a lot of fun. So yeah, the participants. Okay, yeah, the suggested prompt for this week was DIY cards of any kind, whether it's greeting cards, a postcard, journaling card. So the suggested prompt, you don't have to do that. You can do other projects. Just share whatever that you're working on. So the suggested prompt, if you want to do that, post a video, would be next week is bookmarks. So bookmarks for next week, and then that'll be fun to see what everybody comes up with. And then the week after that will be collage. It can be as simple or simple collage. Yeah, I've been seeing people do collage, and it's fun. I want to learn more about that. So mine may be simple. So it can either be a simple collage or more advanced, fancy, however you want to do. Okay, so thanks to everyone, and happy Halloween, and we will talk to you on the next video. Bye, friends.